I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house. I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late. I shouldn't sit here and contemplate. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smiled at me.
Adina.
Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
What's up, YouTube world? I gotta finish putting the fascia, sub-fascia on the side of the trusses. And what that is, these are the trusses. There's a portion of it that has a face on it, and it connects pretty much the trusses together, and then it gives also the opportunity for wood to be spread across. Bunch of crazy carpenter stuff, but that's my plan today. Also, I got these outlookers, the front of the building on the top extended out, and I'm gonna do the back. And then we're gonna start sheathing. Time to close this whole thing in. A couple things on the, stop, go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us out for the algorithm and all the rankings and stuff like that, and it helps us grow. So the more we grow, the more opportunity we have to give you guys more content. Stop. Always have something go wrong. Something go wrong. What are you doing? Stop. We're all family. You don't have to do anything crazy right now. Goodness. This is definitely not a how-to channel, but it's more of an inspirational channel. Hopefully to inspire you to not only build something, but to just get out of your comfort zone, get a good foundation for whatever it is that you want to do. Share it with friends or people you think might be interested, or other YouTubers or other channels, or on Instagram, Facebook, all those social media groups. We'll look forward to talking with you guys through the comments. so ready to get this thing closed in. This has been one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. It's crazy.
Quite beige, got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me, I need something fast. I need something to last. Give satisfaction, no.
Everything is so fogged up right now.
How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave.
man, all the gear is just so hard to move in, but it's for my safety, I guess. So we're cruising along. I got about a quarter of the roof done, which feels like a lot, but also doesn't feel like a lot because I got 3/4 to go. So leave some comments as far as if you've done this before. How was your experience? It is very hard as far as standing up and stuff like that, so I'm just staying on my knees, and it's a difficult experience. And if anybody's been doing this for a long time, please share your secret in the comments. This is something where you might want to practice on a roof of your own, or do something to where you get used to the angle and moving up and down it. Definitely have to wear safety gear. As much as I hate wearing safety gear because it kind of hinders you a little bit, I would advise for it, so, all right.
It's got a hold on me, won't let go of me. This somehow it's got a